Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I have a huge haul today. Is that a big surprise to anybody? Hold on, I'm bringing the bag over. It's a Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! Bath and Body Works haul. Okay. I went there for vanilla coconut foaming, gentle foaming hand wash. I ended up having to order that on the internet through eBay because they don't have it anymore. Because it's not summer. I mean, wait. Because they've got all the fall stuff out. I'm like, but that is summer, and you do have other summer ones. A little frustrating. But you know what? There's no point in fussing at people in a store because, first of all, the store managers are just struggling to get people to work. And I'm not going there on why that is, but everybody's having a hard time getting people to work right now. And some of you may say, look, I'm looking for work. Then good for you, but a lot of America is taking a check and saying, I like just getting the check. I'm not going back to work because I can make money by just getting this check. And I understand when you need that, but I don't understand when you use that, when you should be getting a job and getting back to work. And we all have to work. I mean, I would love to not work, but, and honestly, I think I would always want to work. I would always want to kind of do my own thing, even if Lance could support both of us, which he probably could. But I've always worked, and we need my insurance because he is self-employed. And so, plus I like to work. I like to bring in my own money and contribute to society and all that stuff. Okay. So, I contributed. I remember a long time ago when we were having, it was after 9/11, and President Bush, they were saying, President, what can we do to help the nation? He said, buy something. Anything. Just buy something. Stimulate the economy. We're in that same situation again. And so, I decided to help the economy. So, I got one of my favorite. They didn't have this either, Champagne Toast. These are the foaming gentle hand soaps. And the reason I like those the best is because they wash on and off so easily. I mean, they soap you up real good. The other ones are more like syrup, and it takes a while to wash your hands, which really you should take a while to wash your hands. But I do like this, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's, all this is Bath and Body Works, but they also have a brand, White Barn. And this is Champagne Toast, and they said, well, we don't have it. And I said, you actually do have it. And it kind of bothered me they didn't know their inventory, but they are inventorying. There's so much. They have so much product to put out. I'm sure it is hard. But anyway, this also, maybe she meant not free, because she was doing the shelves. But on the other side, there was this shelf, there was a shelf full of these little, it says spread love, not germs. These little kits, or, little gift bags. And I thought, well, if I get that, then I can get the Champagne Toast, and I could gift, or just use the hand cream and the, sanitizer in my purse. This is a great gift to give someone. Anyway, so I got that. And then also, of course, I started looking at other soaps that weren't what I came for. So I ended up buying soaps. Just because I absolutely love this Peach Bellini. I love the candle. Matter of fact, I have the Peach Bellini candle. And that's kind of making me think I need to go light that one. I have my... Just a Girl Who Loves Jesus, and that's from James and Maria Organic Company. And the reason it says that is I think that was either the last one of that or my friend said she's just a girl who loves Jesus, and they printed it. I don't know. I don't know which one. I need to ask her. But anyway, this is just it's juicy peach, white apricot, and fresh mango. And y'all, this is just so great, especially like in a guest bathroom to have this out during the summer. So nice. And let me see, which other ones? I got two others. This is just an Old Faithful. I love the smell of it. It's cherry blossoms, and it also has Asian pear and a touch of sandalwood. So it's just a really nice scent for any time of the year. And again, I love this in my bathroom and the guest bathrooms. Love it. This is another one that I absolutely love to have out when people come over. It is called Sea Island Shore, and I have some friends who are from, the Hilton Head area, and SSI. What is that? I've just drawn a blank. Something Sea Island. I've just drawn a blank. Y'all know. Anyway, and these are the ones that also have essential oils in them. So it's a little stronger. And the scent is clean cotton, white freesia and musk. And so I love those scents. And when you have a fragrance that you like and you keep finding it, it's sort of like the coconut, the vanilla coconut. I should have bought 5 of those, because they may discontinue this one. I hate when they do that. But this one also is a very summery scent. Both of these are very summery. This is kind of a fresh cotton scent, so it really could be all year. But it's just the fact that it's called Sea Island Shop, and I don't usually cover this up, and this is Peach Bellini. Now, I will tell you can cover it up. And I did buy something that I really, really liked. Y'all know I am in love with butterflies. So what I might do is put my Peach Bellini in here, because that is just pretty for year-round, and they would have to guess, what is that scent? What is that fragrance they are smelling? You can kind of see it through there. But I love the butterflies, so much so that I also got, yes, you got it, a candle holder of butterflies. This is great for year-round, but especially in the spring. And to have that in your bathroom, either for one of the kids or the guest bathroom especially, so pretty. And so, if you're going to do that, well, let me buy a candle. So I got pure white pumpkin. I know y'all are thinking, Beth, it's not that time yet, but it will be. And this just, I loved it. It's white pumpkin, caramel glaze, and ground spices. And it has a strong essence of ginger, nutmeg, maybe some cinnamon, caramel, and pumpkin. Y'all, that is like the perfect fall candle. So this is white pumpkin. They had that out last year and I liked it. But I went for another one instead, and I can't remember what was it. It wasn't spiced pumpkin. That's the one that I used the year before, and I do like that. This is very similar to that in my opinion. Because anything with spices and pumpkin, it's so fall to me. What was the other one? Some kind of syrup, maple syrup, I don't know. Anyway, anything with pumpkin I love. Alright, and then, you could put this in your bathroom with the champagne toast, which smells like, oh my gosh, that smells so good. What is the scent? Okay, it says bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. It's the tangerine after smell. But I thought this is, again, it's got natural essential oils in it, and so it's very fragrant, and I just love it. Hold on. And so you could literally take this out of here and put it in here, and you'd have 2 of the same scent and put it in a restroom, and that would be so nice, like that on the countertop, over to the side, and this over by the sink, and that would be so pretty, y'all. I guess that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. What else did I get? I also like to have, as y'all know, in each bathroom, especially a guest bathroom, a few choices of air fresheners, because you never know, especially if you invite people over for a meal that something might upset their little tummy, or they're just digesting so well and they're so happy that they got to go potty. And so have a way, especially if your bathroom is off the kitchen, have a way to scent the bathroom afterwards. Even if they flushed it a few times. I put these out like, do a little quick, doot, before you leave, please. This is Champagne Apple Honey, and this one is Crisp Morning Air. And what I really love about these is this packaging. It's this kind of neutral grayish beige. This one's got a marbleized gray beige. It literally is marbleized, which is so pretty. And this one has got almost like a wooden background with some kind of ecru colored flowers and some daisy, like muted daisies. And just those sitting together on a little table. Same bathroom, just sitting on a little table in the bathroom. And they've also got these gold tops instead of the silver tops. I like the silver tops. But look how pretty that would be sitting next to this on a counter. It'd just be so pretty, And when people come over, you can always have your candle lit. The only reason I don't always do that, sometimes I'll just have the lid off so it has a scent, is because these are flammable and some people don't think. Alright, and then the other thing was this Blackberries and Basil. Now, I will tell you what I'm going to do with this. You don't ever leave an aerosol in the car because it can explode, and it also has stuff on it that could catch fire, and things in the car can catch fire when it's hot. And just about any time in the summer, I don't care what state you're in, it's too hot to leave anything in the car, especially anything alive, like a pet or a person. But also anything that can melt, like your makeup, and anything that is aerosol, or anything that's just can be flammable, like candles, alcohol, like the alcohol wipes we have. I keep some in the car. My husband said, no, babe, keep that in your purse. Don't ever keep that in your car. Or any of these little sanitizers, because they can explode and because they expand. And if it's hot enough and they can ignite, and then you've got something that's around them that can catch on fire, you can have a car fire. So anyway, I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. And then of course they give you your little Bath and Body Works bag. But so what you can do is sub this and just put a couple of these in a bag with some tissue paper to a friend, or a candle. You don't have to put all of it. You could just put a really neat soap in there and maybe a air freshener, and make a little gift bag out of it. Oh, what was I telling you about this Blackberries and Basil? This is a really unusual scent, and I go toot toot into my car and then shut the door so that it will really get into the upholstery, really smell good, and when I open the door it's all dissipated, but it's a really nice scent. But I don't leave it in the car. So anyway, that's it. That is my haul, y'all. And every year I got to get just at least a few candles and some soaps and lotions and sanitizers and hand creams and air fresheners. And I go to both Yankee Candle, and because they're right next door to each other, and Bath and Body Works. So my next one will probably be a Yankee Candle haul. But anyway, because I love them, I love their little car things too. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Comment below if you like this kind of video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Invite a friend, and turn on that little bell so you'll know when I have a new one uploaded. Talk to y'all again soon. Bye. 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 Bye.